In this video, we're going to be learning how to transfer Google profile primary ownership. In a situation where you open a Google profile for someone else using your own email since you're already verified, I'm going to show you quickly how to transfer that account to the rightful owner once the person is verified. So without further delay, let's dive right into it. So as always, I'm going to use my Chrome. To be able to find the profile you're looking for, you come to Google search and type my business. There are various ways to find your business on Google. If you type my business and your business profile doesn't come out like this one's just came out here, if it doesn't come out, what you can do is you have to, first of all, you have to ensure that the email here is the email that has the Google listing, is the email you use to open that profile. So once you are sure that that's the email, once you type my business, all the businesses under that email will populate, which is what you have seen down here. So that's one of the easiest way. Another method of doing this is through Google Maps. How this works on Google Maps is you have to type the name of your business and the city. So once you are able to type the name of the business and city, it's going to come out. It's going to bring out all the necessary information that you need. It's going to show exactly how this appears here. Once this opens and you see the businesses, you select the one you want to transfer ownership. So you click on it. This is the one I want to transfer ownership right now. So while you are here, you click on the three dots and you select business profile settings. Here you can see people and access, advanced settings, remove business profile. To be able to transfer the ownership, the primary ownership, to the actual owner of the business, you click on people and access. So in the event that you've transferred the ownership to the actual owner of the business, you can now come and remove the business profile from your own profile. I recommend that after you've transferred the account to the rightful owner, just give it a few weeks or a month to see how the business owner fares with the new profile, if they'll be able to handle it well. And once that is done and you are sure that you don't have any connection whatsoever, you can now remove the business profile from your own profile. What we are here for is to transfer the ownership. So I'm going to click on people and access. For the transfer to be effective, you're going to click on add, and then you type the email address of that client of yours or of the other business you want to transfer ownership to. Then here where it says access, you're going to select owner. Because if you make this person a manager, that means you are the owner of the account. But if you choose owner, that means this is the rightful owner of the account. You can be the manager if the person wants you to remain a manager on the account. So I'll click on owner and I'll click on invite. Once you click on invite, an invite will be sent to that person via email. Now you can see here owner is pending until the person signs in their email and acknowledges it and accepts it. Here you can see that I am inviting this person to own this business page. This is the email that was sent from Google. Accept. Once you click that accept, it brings you to this place. Make sure you read every detail. And then here you're going to accept again. Accepted. So automatically you have become the owner of this business profile. Once you transfer ownership to your client, they will now start having full access to that account, be able to post pictures, edit their profile, and do all the necessary things that an owner will do. To further edit and make the actual profile owner the primary owner of the Google profile, you still come back to this profile you used to open the Google account for them and type that business name. Once it comes out, you click on the three dots again, go to business profile settings. While you're here, select people and access. Here you will see that the ownership you had given to this account, now the ownership I had given to this account here, you can see now is an owner. This Lux Love Essentials is an owner, but I want to make it the primary owner, right? So I'm going to click on this. Once this about opens, you see access where this pencil icon is. You click on the pencil icon and make primary owner. If you notice, when we're transferring ownership, it only showed owner and manager. But now, since we are able to transfer ownership, it's now giving us an option of making this account the primary owner of this Google profile. So now I'm making it the primary owner. After selecting the primary owner, you click on save. It will ask you, make Lux Love Essentials the primary owner of this profile. Keep in mind, you can't undo this. So you need to be very, very careful and be absolutely sure of your decision before you do it. So I'm sure I'm going to click on OK. So it says here it has managing this profile for less than 7 days. You aren't able to add, remove, or transfer primary ownership until both of you have managed this profile for at least 7 days. You see why I always recommend that once you create a profile, you wait for at least 2 weeks or a month before you transfer it to the rightful owner. This is to avoid issues like this. Now, I had just transferred ownership of this account to Lux Love Essentials, and I'm trying again in the same breath to make Lux Love Essentials the primary owner. Now, Google has this idea that Lux Love Essentials does not know how to manage a Google profile like Margaret Mary's account was managing that Google profile. So it expects that Lux Love Essentials and the original primary owner of the account, the person who created the account, should work together to teach Lux Love Essentials how to use Google profile. So within 7 days, they expect that Lux Love Essentials would have learned how to get it done, and then you can now transfer ownership. But I'll still recommend you let it stay for like 2 weeks before you come back to make that person the primary owner of that account. Once you make that person the primary owner of the account, you will not have access to that account anymore. So let's give it 2 weeks and we'll come back to do this. But even if I don't show you the video, just know that after 2 weeks, you come back, follow the same steps, and then make that other business owner the primary owner of the account. Now, this is a confirmation email from Google saying Lux Love Essentials is now the owner of this business. This is the business. Now we are sure that everything is good to go. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful.